Hello everyone, welcome to another video. By now I'm pretty sure everyone is experiencing this problem here, paint peeling off on the roof rail trim. So today I'm gonna take them off and give them a coat of paint. Using a plastic trim removal tool, start prying from here. This is how it looks on the back. After sanding and applying 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint, they look like this. As always, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.